folks. It's about 5:56 in the morning on April 10th. It is probably 46 degrees, and we got one long beard, one Jake, and 4 hens roosted about 160 yards away. I just got in here. I got here about 5:15. When it's dark, slipped in, got set up. I put these turkeys to bed last night. I knew exactly what tree they're roosted in. So I'm hoping they kind of take the same route that they took when they roosted. Because looking at Onyx, it seems like the only way that they could really get in and out. Hopefully they'll do that and we can get one down. Yeah, they just started gobbling. I don't know if you can hear it, but that'll get you pumped up. So hopefully that long beard will want to play and we can get a shot at him. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. Hopefully we can bring you some action. And yeah, they're gobbling. Heck yeah. Alright. Yep, and the hens are yelping too, so they're literally just 160 yards that way. Anyway. Drilled him. Oh, that Jake's getting him. That Jake's getting him now. Get off of him. Get off of him. Get off of him. First California turkey, boys. goodness. Oh my goodness. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. Whew, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just did it. You can't get any more perfect than that. Put them to sleep last night. 160 yards that way. They came in through this big field right up to where they were, and then flew up. And then I screwed up last night. So last night I was back by these trees over here, and I had to wait till like dark, because then I had to come all the way around, because my car was parked like right over here and they were roosted like right there. So I walked all the way, waited like a half hour after dark, walked all the way around just so I wouldn't spook them, and then came up with a plan. So I parked way like over that way, and I came down to these trees, and then this tree that I'm sitting under right here, I got in and just paralleled it, because they were in a dead cottonwood tree that they could just see everything. And so I walked that whole field, came in, got set up. There's the setup right there. Got my new Rig'em Right run and gun blind. They flew down perfectly to right here, just kind of fed in, and then as soon as, here's my Jake and my hen decoy, and as soon as he got close enough where he was right there, it wasn't having it. I mean, hopefully you guys can see it on the footage, but he come up, he puffed up to it, and I put one right through it. That old Rage did a number on him. Freaking, there it is. Pretty good hooks. Oh, you can't make this up. Did a number, look at that. Did a number on him, just whacked him. First California turkey, public land. God, look at those super white tips. I don't smile on video very often, but when I do, it's because we just got a California gobbler down. Whew. Alrighty. I'm gonna turn the camera off for a minute and get some pictures. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for following us. We got it done. Hopefully the footage is good. I think I'm just gonna run it. I think I'm right at like 14 minutes. So I will say, put the time in, scout. I literally found this spot yesterday, saw that Jake, was like, hey, I'm gonna come back. Nice thing about California, kind of the nice thing is, you can only hunt till 5,
So that kind of forces you to be able to go scout around and find some more, like either another spot or something. And so I came in, found this spot, put him to sleep, and one of the things, the tips I'll give you is use Onyx, see how they came in. Most of the time, I know this is from like hunting in Nebraska and stuff, where they go into roost, that's normally the first spot they're gonna fly down to. And then they'll strut around that area, and man, I can't believe that just worked. But thank you guys for following along. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and we're eating some turkey nuggets tonight, boys. Woo! How's it going, everyone? So as you can tell, this morning we were successful in getting a California longbeard down, and first turkey in California, first turkey with a bow actually, so I'm super pumped about that. As you can see in the footage, getting tripped up on some words, but that's why we do it. That's one of the reasons why hunting is so fun, is the adrenaline rush. Every day you go in the woods, it's something different. You never have the same thing twice. You can, like this morning, I put those birds to sleep. They came, flew down, worked exactly how, they basically read the script that I wrote last night. And every once in a while you find one that makes it look like you know what you're doing. Today that was the case, so keeps you going back. For you golfers out there, I always joke and say that one swing, that one good chip shot, or that one good drive, that's what brings you back. That's what keeps you golfing. Well, hunting, like, it's that, even not being successful, but it's that one plan coming together, or that one part, that's what keeps you coming back. You're always learning and everything like that. I wanted to do an outro, so just to kind of recap everything. I normally hunt in an area that's archery only. This place was actually, I could have used a shotgun. I don't have a shotgun here in California right now. I only have my bow, so that's what I'm limited to. It just adds a little bit to how hard it is, but then also rethinking my strategy on how I'm going to get turkeys to work the way that I need them to be able to get a shot at them or try to get one. One thing I found out, like, terrain is a big thing for bow hunting. I did buy that little pop-up blind, and it worked great this morning. It was just enough where I could get my bow drawn back and get that shot. I don't think, even if I'd have moved around a little bit, he probably could have saw me, but he was so fired up and ready to try to fight that Jake decoy that I don't think it would have mattered. And sometimes that's just the way it works. But thanks again for following along. Please subscribe if you haven't liked this video. We're trying to get, the following up a little more, so please share it if you enjoyed this, and we'll try to keep content coming to you guys. And like I've said before, if there's anything that you guys want to see or hear about, talk about, that we can make a video of, whether it be tactics on scouting for deer or turkeys or anything like that, please put that in the comments below and we'll get that out to you guys. Thanks again. Hope everybody had a great Easter weekend. This kind of solidified my Easter weekend, just made it even better than it is. Hope everybody is healthy and stays safe. You guys have a good one. God bless.